Good morning, guys. Hope you had a very good weekend. My name is Travis Martin. Guys, let's go over and actually what I would consider an accurate price prediction for Ethereum by the end of the year. I do believe we could hit $5,500 before the end of the year, so I will be showing you guys that with proof. Guys, subscribe, turn the bell notification on. We are live trading on this channel every single video. Currently up $11,083. Here's all of my trades in here. You guys can also see my withdrawals in here as well. Sometimes a lot of people are like, oh man, does your exchange actually allow you to withdraw? Yeah, guys, like Coinbase Pro is amazing. And yes, it is very safe and it's regulated, and you'll have no problems with Coinbase Pro. Okay, we are going to be going over the metrics today for Ethereum. So I'm going to be going over the emotional index, the long versus the short trades, the long versus short trade risk, well and institutional smart money. We're going to go over support and resistance prices, dollar cost average huddle for you guys, exit points as well. So quickly, let's get out of the way in the beginning, guys, so you know this, you're not freaking out when it does happen. Guys, the trend exhaustion are indicators. This indicator is going to be going up in price in 3 days. You guys have 3 days left, and I will be upping it. I will be showing you guys how accurate this is in today's metric. Next month, I'm going to be upping the price versus the well money flow. So very quickly, so you guys know this, if you go over to the description of this video or the first comment on this video, you guys will be taken to this page over here. These are sold separately from the membership, so you guys know that. Here is the bundle pack. This will not be going up in price this month, guys. This will stay the same. I will be upping the trend exhaustion at the end of this month, which you have 3 days left. I will also be upping the prices of the price versus the well money flow next month and some of the other indicators. So if you guys get this, this will appreciate in value for you. So let me prove to you guys how ridiculously accurate these are and why you need them on your chart. Let's get over into the analysis here. So quickly on this trade, I entered in all of us at 35.10. We had our first buy limit hit. We had our second buy limit hit at 3,007. We are currently only away from our entry 5.64%, but we exited 50% up here, and we also only have 50% of our trade in here, so we're literally down like 2% right now. Actually, more like 1.5% for everyone in this trade, so really great move here. All right, let's take a look at this. I want to point this out to you guys because this is going to play into today's analysis of why I believe 5,500, and I don't mean to be cocky about this. I think this is the actual most accurate and sound prediction we have by the end of the year. People are calling out, 50,000, 150,000, let's get that correct, 150,000, 100,000, and 85,000 for Bitcoin. I don't see it happening by the end of the year. I don't see 150,000, but I do see this prediction coming true. Watch this, guys. If you create a low and a lower low on price action, and you come down here and you see that the well money flow, which is the line in green, the price is in pink. If you see this create a low and a higher low, this is showing us and predicting for us that price action will move back up. Watch this low and watch this higher low here, okay? We see that? This ended up showing us that price tried to move down. When price moves down, guys, and money starts flowing back into the market that we can see here, and the trend exhaustion says, I'm tired from going down, I'm going to try to pull this up. This indicator, guys, I know this is going to be hard to believe, but I've proven it to you guys on literally hundreds of hours of videos on here. This here is calling the prediction of where the price is going to move. Okay, when this starts moving up here while price action moves down, this is calling that this is going to see a reversal. That's exactly what happened. And then the trend exhaustion, the moment it got to the top red section here, we ended up seeing the drop. It called it perfectly. And then we got into the bottom red section here, and what happened down here? We saw this touch here, we saw this touch here as well. And then we ended up seeing the bull run over the weekend into obviously Monday here. We were predicting on Friday that Bitcoin was going to see more of bullish signs than bearish, and we ended up seeing this move up here. Okay, now take that and move to the current stage here. If we start pushing up into the top red zone here, I do believe if well money flow keeps moving up here, we could start seeing a move back down in Ethereum. Okay, follow me here. Let's get into the prediction here of why I think we could hit 5,500. You guys need to come over here and follow me. Go from the 4-hour chart and click on the daily time frame. Scroll down. Let's get this very clean in here, and so we can view this. I want to show you guys the 50% Fibonacci retracement and the 1.6 retracement for Ethereum. Here's how you properly pull this. You need to go from the top of the trend to the bottom, and that is not correct at all. What am I doing? Sorry, guys. Let me get another one out here. Let's actually get the Fibonacci retracement now. So pull the top and then pull the bottom, okay? We have done very, very, very well at coming down and touching exactly into the 50% golden Fibonacci retracement. Okay, I'll show you the prediction, but this doesn't mean anything unless I can prove this to you guys that it's happened before. And this setup is literally happening right now before our eyes, okay? Watch this. If you come over here and you pull a Fibonacci retracement, you need to come to structure high here and then structure low, okay? What happened here previously is we ended up coming down and we touched right into this 50% zone here, and then we started bouncing back up. Let me give you guys even more proof of correlation of why I think this is going to bounce back up here. When we started this move down here, the trend exhaustion was pushed down to the bottom red sections here. See this bottom red and this bottom red. That, in my opinion, called this move up here. What we ended up seeing was a move up, a retracement back down. The moment it moved back down was the time when the trend exhaustion pushed to the bottom section, as well as the well money flow pushed to the bottom section here, calling that perfectly when it touched down right here. And then we saw this massive move back up in the market. All right. This down here also ended up calling the bottom of Ethereum here before we started seeing the massive move up. Well, what has happened on the retracement here? The same exact pattern is following us right here, where we have moved back down into the red zone here, exactly how it showed here. If you guys can see this correlation, this is what's called positive correlation, okay? Same move down, same higher low formation. What I do believe could be happening here is that we could be seeing Ethereum starting to blast off here and create some higher high formations on this move up here. Now, this is positively correlated here because I do believe while we are seeing the price action move down here, we are seeing that well money flow is moving into the market here. We see this low and kind of a lower low, but I think we're actually accumulating more long trades in here than we are short trades, and I'll prove that to you guys on the metrics. And this is a great reason of why I think we could start heading up here soon. Okay, let's give you actually the prediction here. The 1.6 Fibonacci extension places us exactly up here at $5,000, about $500. $5,473 is where I do expect to see Ethereum possibly run to by the end of the year. Yes, this would set us above all-time highs here. I'm expecting to see a move up here, retracement, and then a move back up. So the point of this is that, guys, not only did the trend exhaustion, the price versus well money flow perfectly call this last time, we are seeing signs in here that we could be predicting this move again with a similar pattern. Okay, follow me down here again to the 4-hour time frame real quick, and I want to show you guys something. Those of you guys who are currently in your long trades, or those of you who get triggered into your long trades for Ethereum, I do believe we could see one more little bit of a move down here, but the next time we start seeing a pump up in the price here and the trend exhaustion starts pushing up into the top red zone, you may want to look to just take a little bit of profit, about 25%. Question, Travis, you just said we're going to $5,500. Yes, that is a prediction. There is also a possibility that Ethereum could come up here and we could start moving back down just because that's the nature, and it could be happening. I feel as though there is a stronger prediction and sound analysis to be had here that says Ethereum will go up more than it will go down for the end of the year. And that's why I want to show that to you guys. But once you guys are in here, make sure you guys are watching the trend exhaustion for those profitable exits in here. When they hit the top section, that's usually where I exit 25 to 50% of my trade. Incredibly accurate indicator here that is literally getting up to the top section here in red, and we are already seeing this drop being called here with that indicator. Okay, let me show you guys some metrics in here, and here you guys go for all the links. It's just under indicators. Okay, Ethereum. These metrics are going to update all of our metrics on our website, update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every single morning, so make sure you guys are aware of that, okay? The emotional index pushed down into fearful. I am so excited of this because this tells me this is where long trades are being acquired by whales, institutions, and smart money, and I'm going to prove that to you guys on today's video, okay? Last time we ended up getting down here, if you guys are following me on here, this is where we ended up setting, right into the fearful zone, and then we started seeing one of the fastest pumps up in Ethereum that we've ever seen. Look at it happen last time down here in the fearful section. We started seeing it move back up. There has never, ever been a time that Ethereum has not moved up when we have been into the fearful section of the emotional index, okay? We have just now hit this, and this is why I do think we could be seeing a pump back up here in Ethereum. Okay, these metrics, guys, are going to hold true 75 to 80% of the time. These are incredibly important that you guys check these on a daily basis, and you do have your membership. It is the cheapest membership. It's $49 a month to access all of this, as well as the trade calls, as well as getting into the Telegram channel, where I've literally called 43 for 43 winning trades so far. Okay, so, excuse me, actually 44 for 44. 43 was last week that we closed out. We're currently 44 for 44. Haven't lost a trade yet. Okay, watch this. Long versus short trades. Ethereum here is making price action to the downside. That is very clear because we can see that on the chart. Price action moving to the downside. Well, what's happening over here is we are seeing the acquisition of long trades for the Bitfinex exchange. Now, when this happens, this is a place where I do expect to see bullish momentum into the market because there's a lot of long trades being placed. The other sign in here that makes me very confident that we could be heading up is that short trades are actually moving out of the market. This creates less pressure on the price to move down, but it creates a lighter sense of that it can move up. There is less pressure pushing it down than it is moving up. Short trades moving out, long trades moving in, price action moving down. This creates a very good demand zone for a lot of buyers to push the price back up. Okay, follow me down here, guys. Long versus short trade risk. Watch this. We are sitting in the good long trade and the great long trade section. Again, last time we pushed down here, we ended up seeing moves back up. We saw the move back up. We saw this move back up here. Previous to that is actually when we ended up going into this parabolic move here for Ethereum, and we saw very nice moves. So again, this metric has not been wrong either. Every single time we have pushed into the great long trade, bottom green zone, we have seen a move up. Every single time, 100% of the time. I don't like saying 100%, but clearly here, this is true that it has happened every single time on a move up. This is another reason why I'm very bullish. I was very bearish on this channel, so much so where I feel like I was getting like threats over email. Travis, you're calling the drop here. Yes, we ended up seeing the drop here, but right now I'm switching the sentiment because I'm seeing metrics, I'm seeing technical analysis patterns, and I'm seeing our indicators predict this move, which it has predicted in the past, which would be a nice bull run up for the end of the year into October, November, December. Okay. Should you guys be selling right now? My personal opinion is absolutely not. You guys should be looking to acquire your long trades. And here's exactly how you do that. So let me head over to this section. You guys are like, okay, awesome. You've won 44 for 44 trades. How do I do this? Get your guys' membership, under pricing, and scroll down. You guys want to click right here into Ethereum. You're going to see new buy limits here this morning that I have updated for you guys. So make sure you update them if you've been following me for a while, okay? Bitcoin here, I'm going to use this example and I'm going to keep going over the metrics and we'll end this video. Every single one of those charts have price action in white, and then you guys are going to see right now 4 yellow lines below the current price. If you have $1,000, you just take 25% of your trade allocation and place that at each buy limit, okay? 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%, 250, 250, 250, 250. Once your first buy limit is hit, you guys are going to simply place your sell limit up here at the first yellow line above the current buy limit that you guys get triggered into. That's all you're doing, and then you guys want to come down here, click Telegram, and follow me because I'll be calling profitable exits over there, okay? Now, again, obviously do that for Ethereum as you guys are moving down on the front page if you're going through all those charts. Cardano is an amazing trade setup right now too, so Cardano and Ethereum are great trades. Okay. Moving down here, guys, support and resistance prices, where is this thing going to go? Well, I do believe 5,500 is a great place, but we're going to have to come up here and we're going to hit a pit stop right around here about $4,000, which is the psychological level. Let's take a look at that. $4,000 places us exactly at structure high up here, okay? What I want you guys to be paying attention to is that when we get up here and we start hitting these levels and we start pushing past these resistance zones, this is where I think we're going to get a lot of resistance and hesitation in the price. So those of you who set up your buy limits for Ethereum and we get up here, I will be looking to take 25 to 50% exits out of the trade in case this does not play out and we do start moving back down. Is it possible? Absolutely. I'm not naive enough to say that this is absolutely going to go to 5,500. So we're still going to use good risk management, and you guys need to have the trend exhaustion, the price versus well money flow on here. This is literally telling you guys what money flow is doing. This is pinned to the chart for on-chain metrics to look at volume flow on Coinbase on your actual ticker. This is an extremely powerful indicator you guys need on your charts, guys. Please do it. I'm going to be predicting more trades with these. We did predict this move back up like I showed you guys in the beginning, okay? Move down here real quick and we'll end this video. Dollar cost average buys, for those of you guys who want to hold or for diamond hand holders, every time you get a green line, you literally can just throw in $1,000, $10,000, whatever you want, and just hold for about 5 to 10 years and you're going to do amazing. Literally one of the best metrics I can find anywhere in the crypto sphere for calling that, okay? Exit points for Ethereum, we did end up calling the top up here with this indicator. This is where we ended up exiting a lot of our trades. We ended up holding for the move back down. For example, on Cardano, we ended up getting in at $2.02, literally right at the bottom before we saw a move back up. We did not FOMO in here because I was watching this and I'm like, guys, we're not going to go in here and buy at the top. We're going to wait for a move back down. So that is a full recap for today. Here's what I want you guys to be paying attention to. Make sure you are setting your long trades up for Ethereum today, Cardano, your Dogecoin, your Ripple, your Solana, your Bitcoin. All of these trade setups are over here. We are 44 for 44 wins. Make sure you guys come over here and get the bundle pack of indicators. This is not going to be going up in price, but I am going to be upping the trend exhaustion. I'm going to be upping the trend dashboard and the price versus the well money flow in the coming months. So make sure you guys get that. This will appreciate in value for you. And then all you guys need to do is just simply follow me on Telegram after that, and we will be doing live trades on here. I'm trading with you guys with my real money in here, and we are doing very well. So God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing Monday. I'll keep the videos coming here, and everything you need is in the description or the first comment that I pin on this YouTube channel. Get the indicators before they go up in price. Get your guys' membership for $49 a month. It is super, super cheap. And then for fun, after you guys do that, come over here and just take a look at the profits people are making, because it's really fun to see people making, $1,100 last week. This gentleman made $5,000 on ADA using our metrics and our indicators. My portfolio is all green despite the dip. Thanks to the metrics, they rock. This guy listened to the advice. He bought the bundle package of indicators in 24 hours. He made $1,280. And I have more testimonials I already have that I'm going to be uploading Thursday and Friday of this week that I'm going to keep coming. So it's been pretty fun in here to work with you. It's been ridiculously fun to work with you guys over email and over the YouTube channel here. So great job for all of you guys doing well. $7,700 here, $500 in 12 hours, 24% on ADA, $45,000 here. It just keeps going to me, $1,000. Super, super awesome. So there you guys go. Everything you need is in the description, as well as the first comment. I really do think you guys are going to love this channel. We're doing something amazing over here. We're 44 for 44 wins, and I think you guys are really going to like this. God bless you guys again, and I will see you guys over on the next videos or over at betradeconfident@gmail.com if you have any questions. All right, guys, get set up. Get ready for the next trade step, and I'll cover it on YouTube. Bye, guys.